Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful stylish, top trending, top elegant design ideas for new stylish nail haircut in buzz cut. Buzz cut lover ladies wear stylish and new design ideas and new trending inspirations designs. So viewers, keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas. First of all viewers, like my videos, share my videos and press the bell icon and give your feedback in the comment section. So viewers, keep visiting my channel and like my videos, share my videos. Very gorgeous and very amazing videos. You'll find 80 plus new pixie hairstyle ideas for ladies. We're heading 2025 right now. Of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspirations that you should accept to see more of come the new year. You find gorgeous pixie haircuts. Right here you find some of the best short haircuts for women. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see that it's very beautiful size hairstyle. It's also very lovely. I love you the look of the most of these beautiful and stylish short hairstyles right here. When it comes to pixie hairstyling, you find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day, it's all about your looking your best and having the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and into maintaining a pixie cut. You are in the version of styles that you can make selection from, because it's all about you at the end of there. If you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cute, if get ideas from, because at the end of the day, so viewers, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos.